Man, it's really hot here in the Philippines. It's already September of 2020. And it's like we're still in the middle of summer. Whew. And with that, for this video, I'll show you how to make a very refreshing drink with a certain kind of kick and with a certain kind of twist. But just a friendly reminder, this drink is only for 18 years old and above. Okay guys, this drink is called the Soju Yogurt Drink. And it's very simple to make. You just need 3 ingredients. Your soju, yogurt drink, and Sprite. You may also use flavored soju, like this one, strawberry flavored soju. Actually, this is my favorite. And with the flavored soju, you can also use flavored yogurt drink, like this one, strawberry flavored yogurt. Aside from the ingredients, you'll also need cocktail mixer or shaker and shot glass. This mixture that I'm going to show you is, for me, it's very good for just social drinking. Ooh, it's really hot in here outside. So okay guys, let's start mixing. And by the way guys, we will also need ice. Put ice in the cocktail mixer, probably around half full. And for this, we're going to use 1:1 ratio of soju and yogurt drink. One shot. Two shots of soju. And your yogurt drink. So 2 shots of soju plus 2 shots of yogurt drink. Cover your shaker and mix vigorously for 10 seconds. Alright. And guys, for the Sprite, with the 2 shots of soju and 2 shots of yogurt drink, I also use 2 shots of Sprite.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you?
And now, we are ready to pour in our soju and yogurt drink mix.
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second. I love this moment, yeah.
Man, this looks really refreshing. So guys, if you want a really refreshing drink with a certain kind of kick to beat this summer-like heat, I suggest this soju yogurt drink mix. And once again guys, this drink is only for 18 years old and above. And if you want to use flavored soju, like my favorite strawberry flavored soju and strawberry flavored yogurt drink, you can also use this mixture. 2 shots of soju, 2 shots of yogurt drink, and 2 shots of Sprite. And don't forget your ice. That's it guys. If you find this video helpful, kindly click that thumbs up icon, like this video, and give me some love. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That's all, guys. Once again, I'm Luis, your dimpled engineer. Drink moderately.